So hello everyone, we are once again back. So today's 8th February 2026 and right now the time is 4:16 a.m. in the morning after morning. Everybody knows about a.m. is after morning. Okay, so basically today I'm just recording. I will be not recording this about a 1 hour long video, but I will definitely record up to I can record because what happened today is today our cow has given a birth to his child. Okay, that is why I have to go there for taking care of her. Okay, okay. Right now, my father is there. Okay, after that, I will have to go there and for some time and take care of that and watches what is going on right now. Okay, also, but don't worry about that. I will be completing this video maybe in night. Okay, this morning, maybe in night, I will be completing this video. Okay. So don't worry about that when I will complete this video, but I will definitely complete this. And I got an idea about what can I do. So basically, I got an idea on a startup. Right now, everybody has a FOMO of investing in a startup. So why don't I start my own a startup? So basically, what I have decided is to start an a startup in which there is an AI agent. What he does is he teaches like a tutor, okay, like tuition. It is just it will be completely based on a tuition, okay. You make an AI app where student can go and it will be an agent that will teach them, okay. That is as simple as this, okay. Yes, I will create this. Also, I'm thinking of starting another. There are two ideas that I quote. Okay. So the second idea is an AI model like a human being or maybe some cartoon type, which when we open our mobile phone or whether we open our laptop or any kind of device, we see it in there. Okay. He will be moving. He can open any app. He can speak to us. He can do anything. Okay. We just have to say go to dial pad and call this number and he will be calling to that. He said that open this app and do this, scroll and type this. But I'm saying that and he will be typing that. So it will be so awesome to create a such type of app. Yes, definitely. This is so much awesome app. While we are taking pictures, what we will be doing is we don't have to click on start taking. We just have to place that and we just have to command that take our pictures. And he will be taking adjusting all the settings, doing all the works. We just have to say it to him, okay? And he will do all those things. Okay. So basically, I have these two ideas, and what I'm feeling so much excited about this second idea. Okay, I'm feeling so much excited about this second idea, and I will be working on it. Okay, no matter what will happen, but I will be working on it because I am seeing potential in it. Okay, because it can go somewhere. Just what we have to do is open our Play Store and there, download the app. After that, we will have a 3 to 1 week, 3 days to 7 days of a trial in which that app will work in our mobile phone for free. And after that, we have to pay like maybe 100 to 200 rupees per year for Indian users. And for other countries, that amount can be significantly higher. Okay, like for around $100 per year. That is maximum. We will not charge more than this because we will be take it as affordable so that everyone can join that without any feeling of oh it is so expensive. We have to pay a lot more money. We don't have that much amount, but that is why we want it to be so affordable so that each and everyone can buy it. That is what we will be focusing on. Okay, so I love this idea of making an AI app that will come in our mobile, like our PCs and you know. talking to us, he will giving some real-time solution to us what we want. Okay, so it is so much awesome idea, and I got this idea, and I will be working on it after my boards. Definitely, I will be working on it full time, and for that, maybe I will be taking BCA. No, I have to take BBA, Bachelor's in Business Administration. I will be taking Bachelor's in Business Administration, but I will hire some of the people that will develop this app. Okay, I will definitely hire people that will develop this app. Okay, and I will definitely take some fundings. Okay, for this prototype. Okay, I will create some prototype like I will create the app and some work will be done by me, but not a lot of work, but some work will be done by me. Okay, and after that, I will take in some fundings from VCs. Okay, this is so much awesome app, and we can work on this. We can make it extraordinary, like never everybody have seen this type of things. Okay, what we have to focus is on right now, just building step by step process. Okay, so basically, this is a $1 billion idea. I can swear that this is a $1 billion idea. Okay, like, and we will be in future time, we will be perhaps in companies like Samsung, Apple, and Geo also. All those companies will be tie up with them. Okay, providing some solution like whenever we open, like when we tie up with Geo, then as we open the My Geo app, there will be an AI assistant coming up. Okay, real time, looking like us. Okay, or maybe the cartoon, whichever we want. Okay, but will be saying he will be doing that. As simple as this. Okay, and we will make that so that that will be running maybe without internet. Whenever the internet is not in mobile phone, it will be running on that. Okay, like a name, I forgot that name that runs without internet. Okay, there is a model of AI model that runs without internet in the laptops. Okay, so I also have downloaded that, but I didn't use that. Even I just have installed it. I didn't set up it in my PC. Okay, and I don't know how to set up it, but I'll be watching videos on how to set up that. Okay, that is so easy to set up, not that much hard. You just have to command, you have a command, and that will be generating results like ChatGPT. That's the same as ChatGPT gives us result. Okay, but he will not be speaking to us, and also he will not be generating some images. What he will be doing is generating only text. Like he can generate codes, whatever codes we want. Like he can generate scripts and tell us about something that is happening, like news or anything. And I have a query on how he can tell us real-time news when he's not accessing the internet. I don't know how he'll be able to access all those news because I haven't used that. That's why I'm not able to tell all of that details about it. Okay, I'm telling all these details because of I have listened about this on YouTube. Okay, where I get these knowledge. Okay, so I forgot its name, and going to I'm not going to stop this video. So because if I stop this video, I have to create another one and combining both of them, and that is a complex process because I haven't downloaded any video editing software in this PC. I have downloaded a software, but that is a Chinese software and that is not working so perfectly that I should use that. Okay. So simply what I do is avoid that. I usually avoid that software because that is a Chinese software and not that too good, and that is also that is also asking me some money to start. Okay, and I don't want to pay any money to that. Okay, and also I want to say that when the A model will be in our mobile phone, we will be accessing all the details in the mobile. and we will have all the details like what this person is going to purchase, how much money does he has, and what he will be going to do. Okay, like what his interest is in the most, and we will be showing him the ads related to those details. Okay, like we will be selling the data to big companies, MNCs, and yes, they are purchasing those type of data. Okay, we will be showing advertisements. Okay, we will do everything. Okay, don't worry about that. We will tie up with ChatGPT. Okay, and what we will be doing is we will also giving some free cryptocurrencies. Okay, like as may more the number of times you use the app, you will get some currencies. Okay, based on your working in the app. Okay, like if you have used the application for about 100 hours, then you will get that particular cryptocurrencies related to our AI model. Okay, and the values of those currency will also depend on at that time. Okay, at that rate. Okay, not I'm not telling exactly everything right now, but I have an idea about that. That just imagine how it can be. Okay, it will be awesome if we have done it that. Okay, I don't know if other AI companies are working on it or not. Okay, but I got the idea to do that. Idea is so much awesome. Yeah. And what I'm thinking of getting a patent on it. Okay. I should get a patent on it. This. Yes, I should get a patent on this. I don't know what is the process of getting a patent, but I'll be definitely taking that patent after creating the model that I want to say is okay. Or I don't know if I can take the patent without even developing the technology. Okay. Do you? So I have watched the movie web series of Loki web series. Okay, and in that there is a watch that comes in real time and talks to Loki about everything. Okay, so I want to create a model exactly that same. Okay, but what will be happening is the model will not be in real time. It will be mobile phone or our device, our device we are using. Okay, and he will be negotiating with us and taking permissions. Everything will be doing between both of the module and us in real time. Okay, so we just have to say something and he will be doing everything. Okay, from sending monies to recording videos and everything, from solving our question and all those things. Okay, what we have to do is just learning. Okay, so I have to do 40 questions in a ratio chapter. Okay, 19. So there are 19 pages which I have to do, and around 40 questions which I'll be doing. Okay. So what to do next? Next is just creating a AI prototype. Okay. I don't know what I have to say that like AI model prototype or agent. I don't know what I have to say that. Okay. But I will be creating that. Okay. And maybe I can start running a AI agency that will in starting fund me a lot of money. Okay. So that I can even develop that things through my own money like a bootstrap. Okay. Basically, this means is I don't have to wait for the investor to invest money. Okay, just simply starting my prototype without any need of anyone by my own. But I have to hire some people like who are extraordinary than me. Okay, because I alone cannot build whatever I want. Okay, it needs some of other people's dedications which they work and help the organization to grow. Okay, we have to grow in a team. Okay, not a single person can do anything. Yes, a lot of people can do anything. I can also do anything, but it will be so much easier if you get right people at right time, okay, at right place to do the work. Okay, they will manage all the things, and you will not have to worry that much. Okay, like I need a co-founder. Co-founder, I will definitely have a need of co-founder. Yes, I have a need of co-founder. Yes, I will be hiring a co-founder. I don't know where this co-founder is available, but as I found a really dedicated person to his work, I will definitely mm, ask him for to be my co-founder. Okay. Yes, definitely. Yes, I will get a co-founder. I don't know if I get the co-founder right now or maybe some of days earlier or later, but I will definitely found a co-founder. Okay. As I start working, I will definitely found. And also under this scheme, I will be asking for some government grants. Okay. Yes, government grant. I will be asking for government grant. I got the idea. Okay. Which I have to work on. Okay. And simply I have to create an application. Simply an application. I have to create an application. Nothing more. And I will be able to get a grant from governments. Okay. And a lot of people will be able will come to help me. Okay. In my journey. Okay. That means I don't have to worry anything. A lot of people are there in this world who will help me. Okay. In my work. Okay. Yes, I will be starting this AI prototype, and I have so much urge to start this. Okay, in 3 years, I can guarantee that in 3 years, it will only take me 3 years. Okay, only 3 years. Okay, to make it happen. Okay, will make it happen this in 3 years. Okay, and after my boards, I will be dedicating this, giving my whole life to this. Okay, okay. If I got successful in this, okay, I'll be very happy. Okay. And if I don't, I'll be joining working in some somewhere in corporate or anywhere else. Okay. But what I'll be doing is I'll be giving my 3 years to it. Okay. After my boards, definitely. Yes. I'll be giving my 3 years of my life to this. Okay. And I have that much. believe that it will definitely get successful. Okay. And what I will be doing is I will not going to tell anyone and here like my friends, anyone else until I create a some basic level of like I have created the application or maybe I have created something else. Okay. Like firstly I have to create some basic. Okay. Then I'll be applying for some government grant, all of these. Okay. Also, I'll be hoping that I will get my co-founder in NUS National University of Singapore. Okay, so that is why I'm preparing this video. Okay, the National University of I'm coming. Okay, to you. Okay, don't worry about me. I'm coming to you. Okay, to change the whole NUS. Okay, and I am 100% delusional about my words. Okay, I'm coming to NUS. Okay, maybe I will get my co-founder at NUS or maybe anywhere else. Yes. Yes, I will be getting my co-founder. Okay. So in my boards, I will be performing so well, and after my boards, I will be working on this. Definitely, I will be working on this, and I will be also applying for Shark Tank India for season. This is season fifth that is going on, and I will be applying for season sixth. Okay, this is season fifth, and I will be applying for season sixth, and definitely I will be standing in front of all five sharks in season six Shark Tank India. Okay, and also I will be definitely going to listen. The another so-called Bharatiya super founders I will go into it and asking for money. They are also okay. I will not only asking for money, but I will be again asking for some expertise, advisories, okay, for my business that will help me, okay, because I'm just a 17 year, 18 year old, 17 years. Right now I'm 17-year old kid, okay. So basically, I need some guidance. I will do all of these things, but I generally need some guidance, like how to hire these people, where these people are available to meet you, and some of the connections that will help us to grow. Okay, grow because growth is very very much necessary. Okay, and I am also thinking an application like whenever we go to like Oyo website, there we have that AI prototype which we want we will just have to say some words to him and he will be doing all the jobs like we just have to say okay we have to book this hotel or this room okay so he will be booking that and we have to make the payment so let us to the payment page okay and then select this payment method like phone pay or maybe google pay or maybe paytm so select this or by whichever you we want like net banking or debit card so we'll be applying uh, going for that and selecting that paying for that okay if you want to say that this is our pin code type this then he will be typing or if you want to get that stop there then there we have a button to stop that for a particular minute and that when you stop that then he will not be able to see your pin code or whatever you are trying to hide from it okay and you will also have to give permissions to the app that which apps he can use okay in the starting of the app okay you will have to give some permissions to the app that which app he can start or which app he cannot start okay all of that yes and also there will be a some enjoyment, like we'll be creating modules like in a mobile build, and second in like Sayu.com website, like in Oyo website, like when we open the website, there are two modules, okay, and those two modules will be interacting with each other, okay, like both can be interacting with with us, and also they can interact with each other, and there will be some jokes happening, and all those things happening between both of them, okay, like a very creative things. There's so much creative, but I'm thinking, because in 3 years this will be happening by me, okay, I'll be in charge of all this, not in charge, I'll be founder of this system, okay. Yes, I have that much, but I know what I have to do right now. Okay, so I have now clarity what I have to build. Okay, and I will be giving my life to it because I got to understand what I have to build. Okay, so basically, what I was thinking in this era when everybody is investing in startups, and everybody is in FOMO to just start the AI business and get funding. So why should I not get this FOMO? FOMO is inventable. Okay, most people get it, and it is so much common. Okay, it is not a bad thing. Okay, because it is a behavior thing. Okay, everybody can have. Okay, not a bad thing to have. Okay, so why should I not have this form? Okay, so now I have this form, fear of missing out. Why shouldn't I have? Because right now every AI startup is getting so much funding. So even if I get start my own startup, then eventually I will also get the funding, and that is okay to have. If you, so let's assume if you started, if you even fail, then what you will have? You will have experience about the thing, so that you have started something. You have get the funding. Okay, you have used people. You have given the employment to people. Okay, you have done a lot of things. Okay, simple. Don't worry about anything. Okay. I got another idea. An idea of like in Instagram or Facebook, there will be our AI. When we go to the Instagram, there we have our AI avatars. Okay, and when we tap on them, we see the AI avatar that we have created. Okay, and what I am thinking of, we are going to Instagram. Okay, and we are going to somebody's profile. Okay, so in that profile there will be their AI avatar, and okay, and in our website there will be our AI avatar. Okay, so whenever we try to go to or even try to visit someone's profile, then both the AI avatar can interact with each other. Okay, and simply have conversations. And after sometimes the Instagram will charge a premium benefit, which the premium holders can see. So their avatar will be telling them that this person was watching, is talking your profile. Okay, and but their avatar was saying that was only or maybe what they want, or maybe what they were talking about you. Okay, all those things. So can you just imagine what I'm thinking right now? I'm thinking some extraordinary things. Just imagine creating those AI cars which can do these things. This is so amazing. We didn't expect that, and a lot of people will be joining these apps. Okay, this is so amazing. What I have just amazing. Okay, and I will be working on this AI avatar. Okay, I don't know what I have to do for this season, but I will be getting funding. Everything is easy nowadays. Okay, nothing is hard. Okay, and I'm noting this videos. So today is 8th February 2026, and this is maybe the video number 16. This is maybe the day 16 or maybe 15, or I don't know which day is. I'll be checking this later. Okay, and what I'll be doing is noting the date and pasting it there. Okay, in that wall. Okay. First of all, what I was saying that in previous video that I have to create my subject and syllabus which I have to prepare, okay, and paste that on that wall, okay. So I didn't paste it on that wall, even I pasted it in here in my notebooks, okay. This is here, okay, which I have pasted there because I take it everywhere every day. So that is why not I should paste it here. So I pasted it here, okay. Like it is in my hands. Whatever I want to read, I can read from it from here. Okay, I don't have to worry and go for there. Okay, I just have to take my decks and there we have my whatever I have studied, whatever I had not studied. Okay, just what I want is on my hand. Okay, okay. So I am so much happy about my these thoughts. Okay, I don't know if I remember them or not. That is why I want to paste that in that video with a sticky note. Okay, day 16, like day 16. Okay, and pasting this there so that after my words I will remember these videos and watching these videos that what I have imagined and what I will be doing and am I doing right things or not. Okay, I will be doing this my whole life, not my whole life. I will be devoting my 3 years to it. Okay, no matter what. Okay, no matter if I got in relationship or not, no matter if I got hardware or not, no matter what will happen. Okay, I will be doing this. Okay, I will be doing this. Okay. Yes, I will get the funding. Okay. Just imagine. Okay. Not doing something because of fear that what will happen, what to say to investors, what they will tell me, what they will suggest me. Just because of this, not taking the funding and not doing the stuff what you want to do. And with just this fear, you didn't start and you regretting it later. Is this good? No. So the goodness is in starting whatever you want to start. Okay? Just start what you want and you will find everything what you were meant to be. Okay. Okay. So basically I have gotten the idea what I have to work on. Okay. And also I want to say that in Japan, okay. In Japan, people are so much introvert. Okay, they usually not prefer to talk to strangers or maybe some their neighbors also. Okay, they are so very introvert. Okay, they will only start talking to you if you first initiate to them. Okay, or first approach to them. Okay, so this app will definitely work so much better in countries like Japan. Okay, where people are like so much introvert. Definitely these will work in these countries. Like definitely it will work in Japan. Okay. 100% it will work in Japan. Okay. Because it will be our friend, like a friend that we can speak to daily. Okay. What usually we do nowadays is just open our Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, or any Pinterest app, and we just used to scroll. Okay. And by that character or maybe Avatar, we will be talking to him, getting some information. We will see him as a friend or whatever we want to see him as. Okay, and we will giving him some milestone like his age will be also calculating. Okay, his age will also be calculating. Okay, like and whenever you get married, you and your wife Avatar combine with each other, like they also get married. Okay, they also share their details with each other. Okay. That is so much extraordinary idea that I got. I don't know how many people also got this. And maybe no one got this idea except me. Okay, I got this idea. I will be working on this. Okay, this is so much great idea that I found now. Okay. And I have to work on this. I will be working on this. So I will be working on this from 28th of March. Okay, no matter what. Okay, I will be working on this from 28th of March. Because 28th of March there will be my last examination. Okay, last examination, this business studies of examination. will head on to their thoughts. Okay, and I will focus, in this so much means so much, like 100%. Okay, I will give it 100%. Okay, I will be giving this my first priority. Okay, and also my gym too. Gym will also be my priority, but this will be my first priority. Okay, I don't mind if I get some money or not. Okay, I will be doing this. Okay, I will be doing this. Okay. Also, I will be doing these videos. Okay, because what I have just what I want to say that is I'm starting these videos because I want to improve my communications. Okay, and today I can see that I have improved so much while speaking with myself in front of this camera. Okay, I have improved so much. I can't even share this with my words. The the number of words which are coming out of my mind in English are so much amazing. I was not expecting this much of a improved English. Okay, so I have improved so much and I will be improving. Okay, and it is just a day 16 hour making these videos. And can you imagine what will be happening on the days 100 or maybe day 300 of me preparing these videos? I will be speaking whatever I want to speak as fluent as I want, all those words which I don't even know yet. Okay, I'll be learning those words, not learning, they will be coming in my mind automatically as I get to know about new words. Like, oh, this is a new word. I was not expecting that. This also a word in English. Okay, so I know about this word. What is its meaning? How to express feelings with relate to this word, and I'll be expressing all those things without any feeling of uncertainty, not uncertainty, feeling of like what I want to say is the feeling of not knowing the word. Okay, the feeling of not understanding, not speaking correctly. Okay, I will not be feeling fear of these things. Okay, and I can sense that I have improved so much English. I am so much glad, happy, whatever you want to call me. I am so much happy about my English right now. It is so much good. I can't even imagine that. I want to tell you that when I started the video, I can't even imagine that I'll be speaking this much great English. Okay, so in just 16 days, okay, I can't even think of this that I'll be speaking this much great English in just 16 days of creating these videos. Okay, so basically, discipline works, 100% works. Okay, and the theory of 20 hours is also applied to here. Okay, and also works. Okay, so basically I was watching an Instagram video in which a video occurs, and the person which was in the video, like, creator was saying that if you want to master a skill, then it will only take you 20 hours. Okay, and no matter how much, just give 20 hours of, he was saying that just give 20 hours of your life, of a day or maybe month or a year, just give 20 hours and you will master that skill in just 20 hours. Okay, and but he was saying that most people see result in a lot of year because they took a lot of year or lot of time to start that 1 hour. Okay, okay, it will only take you 20 hours to master a skill nowadays. Okay, nowadays mastering a skill is so much easy. Mastering is a skill will take you around 10,000 hours. Okay, and and learning a skill will take you around 100 hours. Okay, but understanding a skill will take you only 20 hours. That is one fifth of learning a skill. Okay, so it is just a matter of how much you are willing to give your time. Okay, you just have to just start whatever you want to start. Okay, and you will see results in some of the days, months. You are only 6 months away from the life that you wanted. Okay, I can say that in 6 months, that is roughly around 175 days. Okay, and in those days, I'm just only 6 months away. Okay, let's take 6 months means 26 months. Okay, 26 means directly means 140 and to 182 days. Okay, like so take 180 days. Okay, 180 days. So in 180 days, what I will be able to do you know? I will be speaking so much better English. Okay, just speaking. Okay, so basically, if I go to call, yes, sir, yes, my name is Arun Punia. Oh, thank you, sir. So what you were telling me, oh, you were telling me to join this group. No, I am not interested in that group. So, sir, why should I join this group? Okay, can you tell me some of the reasons, some of the advices that whichever you want to give me? Okay, oh, join this group made me feel more confident about what about what? Oh, I do gym, yes, I do gym basically. So it will feel me so good about doing a gym. How it will be making me so good about feeling me so good that I do a gym. Okay. Oh, basically it gives this group has some of the videos of creators that send videos that if you are doing gym, then you are so astounded. Oh wow, this is nice, but this is not a motivation that I wanted. Okay, so how will be it able to make me so feel good about myself? Okay, so then the other person in the hall will be telling me about some of the basic benefits that I'll be getting through that group. Okay, so these are the English that I'm speaking right now, and even I was not expecting this much greatness. It's just 16 days. Okay, I'm so much happy. I can't even say it with my words how much I am happy about my English. Okay, so I'm so much improved. Okay, and I can even say that in 16, even in 16 days, I will be speaking so much better. Okay, but I have taken a target of minimum 100 days. Minimum 100 days. Okay, and I will be not stopping before those 100 days except the exceptional. Okay, because exceptionals are everywhere in this life. Okay, exceptions exceptions or exemptions, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I'm just not able to pronounce that one correctly. Okay, don't worry about the pronunciation. Okay, I'm just understand what I want to say. Okay, what I want to explain you, just understand that. Don't go to my words. Okay, yes, you have to go to your words because if you are not able to understand the word, so how will you be able to understand the meaning of my sentences that I want to convey to you? But it is okay. Okay, because I don't want to take a long on this journey. Okay, and I want to say that I was only expecting that I'll be creating this video around maybe 10 minutes, and if I create this video around 10 minutes, then that will be so high. But I want to say that I have created this video around 23 minutes 15 seconds. I was not expecting that today I'll be making this much time of videos, and I'm enjoying making these videos. Okay, so what the battery percentage is saying right now is, oh, right now the battery is 30%, and I'll be taking it to the charger whenever it will go to like 20%. Okay, that is roughly around 10%. Okay, and I'm expecting that like in when I'll be able to record around in 10 minutes, it will be charging. Okay, it will take 10 minutes to for 10 minutes down. Okay, so let's do not see that and work focus on making these videos. Okay, so what is left right now to say on this videos? Okay, so let's assume I got a call from a venture capitalist. Okay, and he is asking me that, hey Aryan, you are hello, yes, sir. Hey Aryan, you are building a AI model or AI company. So can I join you? Okay, no, before I join you, can you tell me some of the points that why should I join your company? Oh, sir, you want to join our company? So first of all, thank you, sir, for having a contact with me. So can you tell me, sir, how did you get my contact? Okay. So basically, I will not asking all of these questions, but I'm just making a conversation. Okay. So how do you get my contact number? Okay. Oh, you get oh this is private. Okay, okay, sir. Take it as a so basically, sir, what I'm doing is I'm creating an AI model, or you can say that an AI avatar. Okay, the avatar like have you used Instagram? Yes, you have. Oh, so basically, have you created your profile avatar? Yeah, you have created. Oh, wow. So basically, I'm creating a website like same exactly like that, in which you have to open the application and firstly download that from the Play Store or App Store, and after downloading that you can also download that on your Windows, and after downloading that allowing some of the settings and allowing some of the applications in which on your mobile application you want it to allow to enter. Okay, like if you don't want it to allow some payment related application like Paytm, Google Pay, then you can simply deny that request. Okay, so it will not be forcing you, and so basically what will be happening is after that you allowed, you have to select a avatar whichever you want to choose. Okay, you can choose or create your avatar according to your needs. Okay, just like you have created your AI avatar in Instagram. Okay, so basically after that you will be selecting a voice, the voice which you want. Okay, or also you can generate an voice from the AI, like and there are some of the AI models right now which are generating some voice. Okay, you can also generate voice from there. Okay, and after that, what you have to do is just provide your some basic details like your name, age, gender, caste, not caste, like phone number, email address. Okay, and you will get a 7 days free program. Okay, you will get a 7 days free program in which you will we will allow you to use that AI chatbot or AI avatar free for around 3 to 7 days. Okay, and after that you will have to pay. In India, the cost for that will be around 500 rupees, not like first 200 rupees for 6 months, and after that you have to pay 100 rupees per month. Okay, and that is a minimum, you have to pay that. And in other countries, we will be charging some higher amount as per they were willing to pay the amount. Okay, and so by what basically this app will do is there will be your avatar that will be running around your mobile application, and what you can see is अम्मा कौन है? ओह ठीक है, ठीक है, हाँ मैं उठा हुआ हूँ, दरवाजा खोल लो. So basically that will be running around our mobile phone.